This Fanuc Power Supply came from a local customer who was rebuilding a machining center for a large manufacturing facility. This Fanuc Power Supply is used in a variety of systems and is mated to various other Fanuc modules, such as single-axis servo motor controls and other types of FANUC Alpha I modules. This power supply creates the shared DC bus used on the Alpha I rack of motor controls, and also contains the common communication bus that enables the system to control each axis motor control independently. This power supply was dead, and as seen in the video, we tested it after repairing the blown-up input stage, and tested the other output under a linear load. ERD has decades of experience in motor controls, and the various other assemblies that are used with them.